Searching in a PDF is something you most likely to do whenever you open a PDF document. Finding and replacing texts in PDF then becomes an essential and efficient in your workflow. In this video, we will show you several ways to find and replace text in a PDF file, including free ways. First, use Seda, which is an online free PDF editor. Now upload the file. Then go to Text, Find and Replace. Enter the words that you want to find and replace. Then click Replace All. As you can see, it quickly finds and replaces all the words in the file. Finally, click Apply Changes, download the file, and check the result. This tool is free to use. It has the most powerful editing tools. However, it has drawbacks. It is not easy to control, and the formatting it may go messy, or the font won't be kept as the original. Anyway, it is worth of a try. Second, use Expose, another online free service to manage all kinds of files, including PDF. This text replace tool can not only replace text in the file, even in the comments metadata, and it is case sensitive. However, you cannot preview nor edit the file. Drag and the drop to upload the file. Enter the words that you want to find and replace. Also, don't forget to tick the box here to include all the text. Choose to save as PDF. Click Find and Replace. Now download the file and check the final result. Third, use a word processor that you've installed on your device. If you have Microsoft Office, Word, or WPS, you can convert the PDF file to Word format first, then find and replace text in the word processor. Here we will convert the PDF to Word first in small PDF. Once the Word file is ready, open in your word processor. Mine is WPS Office. Then go to Find and Replace tool, enter the words you want to replace. Finally, export the file as PDF again. Lastly, if you are looking for a tool to find and replace text without limits, or without losing PDF formatting, Adobe Acrobat is the best choice. Its Find and Replace feature allows users to search and replace all texts in a PDF, including the texts in comments or bookmarks. Also, it can find and replace text in a scanned PDF. Here is how you can find and replace text in a PDF using Acrobat. To deal with a scanned PDF, you just need to follow the similar process, because Acrobat will detect a scan and let you recognize the text first, then you will be able to replace.